Hey everyone, welcome back to Pamuka Wealth Empire. I'm Patrick, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of YouTube monetization. Have you ever wondered how much you can actually make from YouTube ads? Stick around because I'm breaking it all down for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on growing your wealth. First things first, YouTube shows ads on your videos once you reach 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Once you hit these milestones, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning a share of the ad revenue. So, how much can you actually make? Based on my research and experience running multiple channels, YouTube channels typically earn between $1 and $30 per thousand views. On average, most channels make around $5 to $10 per thousand views. To increase your earnings per thousand views, consider creating content in high RPM niches. RPM, or revenue per meal, is what you earn per thousand views. Some niches attract higher-paying advertisers. For instance, technology videos often get ads from companies like Apple, while travel videos might get ads from companies like Expedia. Here are some of the highest CPM niches: finance, make money online, technology, health, investing, travel, legal, insurance, makeup, marketing, real estate, cars, movies, and DIY tutorials. Feel free to pause and screenshot this list. On the other hand, some lower RPM niches like pranks, scary videos, and certain gaming videos can still get a lot of views, which can balance out the lower earnings per thousand views. Another tip to boost your earnings is to make videos longer than 8 minutes. This allows you to place multiple ad breaks throughout your video. Just go to YouTube Studio, select your video, and add ad breaks under the Monetization tab. Remember, don't just make your videos longer to add more ads. Ensure you're providing valuable content, whether it's educational or entertaining. Now here's a little secret. This channel you're watching right now makes over $200 per thousand views. How? By selling a digital product like my YouTube course, Tube Mastery and Monetization. This channel averages around $100,000 per month, with only $6,000 to $12,000 coming from ad revenue. Check out my video on 12 different digital product ideas you can sell from your channel. The link is in the description below. Let's break down potential earnings for a few channels. For example, the channel Chills in the Scary niche gets about 6.5 million views per month. With an estimated RPM of $3, they could be making around $20,000 per month. Then there's New Money, a finance channel with 1.9 million views per month. With an RPM of $20, that's about $39,000 per month from ads alone. Finally, TechZone pulls in 46 million views per month. With a $10 RPM, they could be making nearly $500,000 per month. As you can see, different niches and strategies can significantly impact your earnings. Check out the video next to me for some of the best niches to start a YouTube channel and maximize your revenue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.